Hey everybody, hope you're having a great Friday afternoon. I wanted to kind of post a little bit of progress on a Bitcoin trade that I took, and it is starting to take off. So I just kind of wanted to point out as to why our team is so successful and why our students who join us become so successful. So I took a Bitcoin trade right around here. Okay, so I think I can use my marker here, right around here, right? 29,151. And as you can see, it shoots up, a couple retests, second retest, third retest. All right, took a big drop right here. All right, some people consider it a big drop. I don't, okay? And then continue to go up and retest and goes up. Little consolidation right here. And now shooting back up and maybe potentially another retest right here, okay? The trend is your friend, as they say. And so, with crypto and our team, you obviously have to have a bigger account because there are more challenges with drawdowns and retests and stuff like that, okay? So you have to have a bigger account. You have to have a longer term goal in mind on crypto trades. But this just goes to show you that our strategy works for forex and crypto trades. So if you're interested in getting on board, please reach me. We have a 7-day trial that starts on Monday where you can watch over our shoulders. And if you're just ready to get on board right now, which is a perfect time right before the weekend when the markets are closed except for crypto, then reach me ASAP and we'll get you on board. Have a great afternoon.